Good morning. Today we'll talk about English phrases with the word take and how do we translate them to Lithuanian language. Because we say these phrases really differently without the literal word take. So we don't necessarily translate take from English. And I'll give you a few examples, 8 examples of 8 phrases, English phrases with take, and how do we translate them. So the first one would be to take advantage of something. Yes, so literally, if we literally translated it to Lithuanian, we would say paimti naudą. Paimti naudą, yes, but instead we say pasinaudoti, to take advantage. For example, he took advantage of the advice. Jis pasinaudojo patarimu. Or he took advantage of his strengths. Jis pasinaudojo savo gabumais. Jis pasinaudojo savo gabumais. Stiprybėmis. And we can use this as well in the negative case, as in, negatively, to abuse someone, yes, to take advantage of a person, like in a negative way. Jis pasinaudojo to žmogaus neišmanimu. He took advantage of the unknowing of that person. Jis pasinaudojo savo draugu. Jis pasinaudojo savo draugu. He took advantage of his friend in a negative way, pasinaudoti. The next one would be to take an advice. So in Lithuanian we would say priimti patarimą or pasinaudoti patarimu. So to take an advice, priimti. He took advice from his grandfather. Jis priėmė patarimą iš savo senelio. Please take my advice. Prašau, priimk mano patarimą. The next one is to take care of someone or something, is pasirūpinti or rūpintis. Aš rūpinosi 3 šunimis. I'm taking care of 3 dogs. Aš noriu tavimi pasirūpinti. I want to take care of you. So if it's just one time, just a certain period of time, we can say pasirūpinti just once. I'll take care of you once. I'll maybe welcome you and be hospitable to you. Aš tavim pasirūpinsiu. And if I'm saying aš rūpinosi, well, it's probably continuous. Taking care of someone or something continuously. Aš rūpinosi vaiku. Aš rūpinosi 3 šunimis. Aš rūpinosi senais žmonėmis. I'm taking care of old people, elderly people. Elderly, maybe not old. The next one is to take charge. Imtis atsakomybės. I will take charge of this situation. For example, aš imsiuos atsakomybės šioje situacijoje. Aš imsiuos atsakomybės. Jis ėmėsi atsakomybės, nes jis vienintelis turėjo įgūdžius. Tinkamus įgūdžius. Or nes jis turėjo įgūdžių. He took charge because he was the only one who had the skills. So imtis atsakomybės, imuosi atsakomybės, imasi atsakomybės, and so on. Number 5 is to take an interest in something. Please take an interest in this new method. Well, I will take interest in this new method. Aš pasidomėsiu. Pasidomėsiu. Yes, basically, I will study, I'll get into something, I'll look deeper into something. I will look into something, aš pasidomėsiu. Or I will take an interest in something. Next one is to take notice. Please take notice that the floor is slippery. Atkreipk dėmesį. Please take notice. Prašau, atkreipk dėmesį. You have to take notice of something. Tu turi atkreipti dėmesį į kažką. Number 7 is to take ownership of something. To take ownership is perimti nuosavybę. Ownership is nuosavybė. Own, it means savo. Own. I have my own dog. Aš turiu savo šunį. I have my own house. Aš turiu savo namą. And ownership nuosavybė. So, perimti nuosavybę. He took the ownership of the house. Jis perėmė namo nuosavybę. Aš perėmiau automobilio nuosavybę. I took the ownership of the car. And the last one is to take part in something. To take part is dalyvauti. I will take part in the exams. Aš dalyvausiu egzaminuose. With a specific case of exams, I can also say, we usually say, aš rašysiu egzaminus. I will write. Or I will take part in the event. Aš dalyvausiu renginyje. Event, renginys. I will take part in the debates. Debatuose. Aš dalyvausiu debatuose. So that's it for today. That's it with the phrases with take. I think next time I'll certainly expand this list, because we have a lot of phrases with take in English, which we translate totally differently in Lithuanian language. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, share these videos, help us expand this knowledge, and if possible support the channel to help us keep going. Bye bye, take care.